What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how to install a decent $80 camera security system for your home or office. This comes with a DVR and 4 cameras and all the hardware needed to hook them all up. And this is the brand, it's Florion or whatever you want to say that. It's one of the more decent cheaper brands, so I bought this for $80 on Walmart.com. If you don't want to spend $300, $400 for a Samsung system or for Ring system or whatever, you want to do it on a budget, very cheaply, with still a decent quality, not the cheap Chinese crap. This is gonna be a good choice for you. It's 1080p. It has remote. You can view it from your phone. You can hook it up to a TV, and it has night vision and motion detection. So it comes with a DVR, and I'm gonna show you how to hook up the DVR, and 4 cameras. In each one of those there's a camera. It looks like this. 1080p. This is the lens, this is the IR for the night vision. Very simple hookup. One for the video right here, and this one for the power. And you're gonna have to run a wire through for each camera. It shouldn't be too hard. You gotta work with your specific situation. In my case, I'm just gonna run it with the cables that already there for the TV. You may have an attic, you can run it through the attic. You may have a mobile home, you can run it underneath. So it comes with 4 of these. This is I think I'm not sure, 80 feet each. I'm not sure, but it's long enough. Okay, so it comes with the power for the camera and a video wire. So you just hook it up for the power and the video, and you hook the other side to the DVR. Okay, so to plug this in, you're gonna have to pull it upward and then put this in, spin it so it finds its place, and then pull it up, and then it should seat right in, and then it's locked in place. It's not gonna move at all. And then for the power, very simple, you just plug it right in and then you have power. And then for the other ones, go to the one to the DVR, which is the video, and the other one to the power, which goes to a power outlet. So let's get started. Okay, so each camera comes with 3 of those, but I'm not going to be using these. These are for brick walls. I'm just going to be using the screws straight to the wood because I'm going to mount it to wood. If you're mounting it to a brick wall, you're going to have to use these. Drill a hole, put these in, and then put the screw in these, not through the brick wall. Okay, so the first camera I'm going to install right here so it overlooks the cars and the door. Okay, as you can see, these cameras have a pivoting point, so it doesn't matter how you mount it. You just want to make it secured, and then you can move it so it gives you the best vision on your screen. Okay, as you can see, I hit it with the first 2 screws, and now I'm gonna hit the last one right here, and it does not take much. Okay, nice and strong. Okay, and you can see it's very strong. I'm pulling hard on it. It's not going anywhere. So now I can release this, put it wherever you want it, and then just tighten this. Now you're gonna run the cables. I'm just gonna use my existing TV cables to run the camera wires along with them, like this, by the wall. Okay, after you run all the wires, you want to plug the holes with some silicone, clear silicone or any kind of filler, so insects don't go inside. Alright guys, so I have installed 2 cameras. They're hooked up. It's really good resolution. Even at night, the infrared lights go on around the camera lens, and it gives you a very good clear view. So this is how it looks, and this is the DVR I installed right here. It comes with a mouse that you can change between
cameras, or go to the main menu. You can back play everything. You hit just play back, and then you can just pick the date right there, and then you can just go over it and play everything. See, this is how it looks at night. It's pretty good view. So yeah, actually it's a very good system, and it's very cost effective. The whole thing cost me like less than 120 bucks, and it's really good quality for the price. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I hope it's helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.